have to live in harmony with nature. We have to make peace with nature. At the moment, humanity behaves as if we are at war with nature. The way we are destroying our rainforests, the way we are polluting our oceans with plastic, the way we put animals in factory farms with cruel practices. All that is acting like war with nature. If we fight war with nature, we are going to be the losers. So it is an imperative of our time to make peace with nature. When we make peace with nature, we can make peace with the world. And when we make peace with the world, we can make peace with ourselves.